In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with HubSpot for real estate. Now, whether you're a seasoned real estate professional or just stepping into the industry, HubSpot can be an incredible tool to help streamline your operations and manage your client interactions effectively. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't got an account yet, be sure to set one up first, as it's essential for accessing any of HubSpot's features. Once you're logged in, head over to the Settings section. Here, you have the option to invite team members to collaborate on shared real estate projects. This is a fantastic way to ensure everyone is on the same page and working seamlessly together. Next, let's look at customizing your dashboard. Tailoring your dashboard to fit your specific real estate operations can really help streamline processes, making everything more accessible for you and your team. To do this, click on the General tab, where you'll find plenty of customization options to ensure everything is just as you need it for your daily operations. It's also beneficial to link your personal email account to HubSpot. By doing this through the email settings, you'll make sure that all emails sent from HubSpot not only appear professional, but are also conveniently consolidated into one place. This step can be instrumental in maintaining clear and organized communication with your clients. Importing your contact list is another vital task. Navigate to the CRM section and click on Contacts, then Import. Take the time to customize your contacts list by adding essential details. This might include specifics like the number of bedrooms or the number of agents involved for each contact, which will be instrumental in guiding your clients with precision. Utilizing these features can significantly enhance your online presence, thereby attracting potential buyers and sellers more effectively. An outstanding feature of HubSpot for real estate is its ability to track the progress of your deals. From the initial contact to the closing, HubSpot allows you to monitor and manage each step of the process within your sales pipeline. This functionality not only keeps you organized, but also helps ensure that no detail is overlooked in the pursuit of closing a deal. As you continue to explore and integrate these tools within your real estate business, you'll likely find that HubSpot can greatly enhance your ability to connect with clients, manage projects, and drive sales. So take your time, experiment with its features, and adapt them to best suit your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, with a bit of practice, these tools will become second nature, giving you more time to focus on what you do best, connecting people with their dream homes.